Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to complete the daily quest about the large red damselfly that you must give to Fernie, NPC Fernie. So to get these large red damselflies, you need to go to this damselfly. You need to go to the water site. Just go to the any water sites and the map, and it spawns all time, and it spawns at the sunny rainy or rainbow. So just go to the water sites at the map. Like you can just go to the suburban lake or forest lake, on sand mountain lake, and many more. Just go to the water sites at the map, and after that you can just use the insect attractor or sense booster to increase the chance to get this large red damselfly. And after that, after you get this red large red damselfly, just go meet Fernie and then just submit this damselfly like this, and then just tap on submit, and just like that your daily quest will be complete like this. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.